Gilas Pilipinas blew out Guam once again para sa FIBA World Cup Asia Qualifiers. You know what time it is? Hands in. Let's talk about the pros this time. Pro number 1, napakaganda ng naging simula ng Gilas. We started off the first quarter with a 32-15 score, which felt like a dream kasi parang oh my gosh, kaya pala natin yung ganun. Feeling ko yun talaga yung nakapag-build up na magkaroon tayo ng control for this game. Pro number 2, we won the rebounding battle. Gilas had 45 rebounds while Guam had 36, which gave us at least 9 more opportunities para makascore ng basket. The more possessions that you'll have, the better. Main suspect si QMB with 9 and AJ Edu with 7. Number 3, aside from Justin Brownlee, meron pang tatlong nakascore ng double digits. It's the usual St. Dwight with 19 points, Kevin Kiamba with 12, and Chris Newsome with 10 being the spark off the bench. Marami kasing tao mga nagsasabi dati na baka asa na naman tayo sa import. Kung aasa tayo kay Justin Brownlee, might as well tulungan na din natin. Number 4, ang ganda ng Blue Eagle Gym. Ang ganda. And it looks great. At yung number 5 pala, Japeth showed out in quite possibly his last game para sa Gilas. Like yung problema natin last game was minamama ni Wesley si AJ Edu sa poste. Tapos nung si Japeth Aguilar yung nilagay sa starting 5, wala tayong masyado nakikitang ganun. In fact, nalimit siya sa 2 out of 10 pagdating sa field. Punta naman tayo sa cons. Number 1, there was one player in Guam who had 18 rebounds. I believe it was Galloway. Siya lang at siya ang kumukuha ng offensive rebounds at doon din siya nakakascore. There needs to be a specific adjustment kung ano yung kailangan nilang gawin against him, because obviously we're gonna be facing bigger, better, stronger competition sa mga darating na araw at buwan. Kahit nasabihin natin na nanalo tayo sa tali ng rebounds, we also have to make sure na makakuha pa tayo ng mas marami or hindi sila makakuha ng mas marami. Pangalawa, we may have shot 6 3-pointers but Guam shot 11 3-pointers. Dahil naman yun dun sa eskema ni Coach Tim na nirisk niya na maglaro sila ng man zone for the first half, I believe. Which worked so well in the first quarter kasi hindi sila nakakatira ng tres ng maayos. But as soon as Simon started popping up, yun talaga yung magiging risk niya. Facing both Australia and New Zealand, we have to be mindful of that. And third, RJ Avarientos is the only Gilas player with a negative plus-minus from the team. He had a plus-minus of -7 sa larong ito. The others had at least positives, pero posibleng nagsimula yung momentum ng Guam para makabalik from being down 27 to just within 10 when RJ was on the floor. So this probably means na kailangan niya pang medyo masanay dun sa mga kasama niya, kailangan niya pang masanay sa international play, kahit alam ko naman na sanay na siya, or maybe it was just a bad day for him.